In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple chat. That's the easiest pipeline that you can create using the platform. So that's very good for starters that want to understand and want to create their first pipeline, no code, low code, using Aparavi data toolchain. So let me explain to you why we could do this. The first thing is if you want to ask questions for an LLM and you want to test the different LLMs to see different responses. So let me show you here the first example. So in this pipeline is already running. I set up the chat node, connect to the LLM using the OpenAI, and I have the HTTP results. Very simple pipeline. And once I click chat now I can make a question. What is the capital of California? The capital of California is Sacramento. Great. Now I'm going to show you the step-by-step how you can replicate the same pipeline. So go back to the home page, click New Project. I'm going to select the simple chat. Here, as you can see, by default is Gemini. You can select any LLM of your choice. You can use DeepSeek, for example. You can use the OpenAI that I just showed. You can keep with the Gemini. So let's give an example. Ask the same question for Gemini to see the difference of the answers. So let's connect questions to questions and answers to answers. And here, the only thing we need to do is add the API key for Gemini. Where you can get this, you can go to the Gemini and ask for to generate an API key. Copy and paste the API key right here. There's the documentations on OpenAI, DeepSeek, and Gemini, and all the LLMs, how you can get this API key. So just paste my API key here. You can select the model. I'm going to keep here default model and click save. Very simple now. Click play. What's going to do is going to start the chat interface, connect to Gemini, and have the HTTP results that you're going to be able to ask the question on the web page. So you can see here the chat is available. So let's click here and let's make a question. What is the capital of California? Sacramento is the capital of California. Now we know how we can create a first pipeline with a sample chat. And I'm very excited to see what you are building with Aparavi. So I see you in the next video.